It's a week before the Christmas concert. 4 students meet in the music room.
Hey, what should we do for the concert next month? Any ideas?
How about we form a band?
That sounds thrilling. Planning a concert will be fun.
Great! I will book the music room for Monday.
Okay.
Monday in the music room.
Alright, let's pick a song.
How about Love Story? I love it. It's a classic.
Wait, what? Love story?
Isn't that a bit old-fashioned?
I just want to share something I love.
Voices rise. Small arguments break out.
Listen, Sui, I'm not sure anyone would want to hear that song anymore.
Come on, guys, don't be so boring.
So, I'm the boring one?
I am just kidding.
I don't think we can continue like this.
Don't walk out, please.
Miss Chen enters, sensing the tension.
What's going on here?
They don't respect my ideas.
We are just trying to pick a song that everyone will enjoy.
You all need to listen to each other. Unity is crucial for any team.
The students grumble but stay silent.
Think about how successful group work, respect and clear communication.
2 BLACKPINK fans nearby overhear and decide to help.
Wow, tension in the music room, huh?
We have seen groups struggle like this before.
Why don't you two share your thoughts?
BLACKPINK is a great role model for teamwork. I'm a big fan.
Their journey shows how respect and effort matter, not just talent.
How did they become so popular? They are from YG Entertainment. Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, and Lisa. Their success comes from hard work and strong teamwork.
The students listen more closely.
So, teamwork is the key, listening and respecting each other.
Absolutely! Jennie said something like, we all have strengths and weaknesses, but together we are stronger.
Respect is vital when we discuss our suggestions.
Any stories that show real teamwork?
Plenty. During practice, they correct each other's moves to make the stage look perfect. They encourage each other constantly.
They say, only together as 4, we become BLACKPINK. It's like their motto.
Lisa calls them a family. They support each other through rehearsals and tough times, so every member feels valued.
The group nods, absorbing the message.
See, you can learn from them. Respecting and understanding each other will help your team grow.
Yes!
Sorry, I was wrong. I am sorry.
I'm sorry too. We should have listened.
I shouldn't have laughed. I respect your ideas from now on.
I promise not to hurt you with words again.
We want to improve together.
We learn from BLACKPINK. Unity matters.
Can you forgive us?
It's okay, but we must focus. There's little time. Let's practice.
Alright, Tom, you are on the drums. Sui, you will sing. Enzo, you will on the piano. And I will play the guitar.
Okay!
Wonderful! Show me your unity.
Competition day arrives. Excitement fills the hall.
We did it! We placed second. What did you learn from BLACKPINK?
Teamwork is essential. Without it, we can't succeed.
Teamwork is important, but there's something else. Anyone?
What's that?
Passion. Without passion, teamwork alone won't make you shine. You have to love what you do.
That makes sense. Our passion for music brought us together.
And unity makes our performance stronger.
Just like BLACKPINK, when we respect and support each other, we can do great things.
Let's keep this spirit in everything we do.
The group celebrates. Miss Chen closes the lesson.
Remember, unity, respect, and passion will take you far in music and in life.